The Axial SCX-102 Deadbolt RTR is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler designed for strength and smooth performance. It measures 18.1 inches long with a 12-inch wheelbase and 2.7 inches of ground clearance. Weighing only 4.65 pounds, it's built on a durable steel C-channel chassis with cross-bracing for extra support. This model comes with Arkansas 44 high pinion axles, oil-filled coilover shocks, and a Dynamite 35T 540 brushed motor paired with a Spectrum 40 AESC for consistent power delivery. The included Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio offers precise and reliable control on any terrain. Priced at around $300, the SCX-102 Deadbolt is perfect for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Straight from the box, it delivers dependable handling, rugged durability, and the capability to tackle challenging off-road trails with ease. Batmobile Ultimate Kids. The Batmobile Ultimate Kids electric car is a sleek, lightweight ride made for children aged 3 and up. Powered by a 6-volt battery, it offers a fun and safe driving experience. Designed with exciting features, this ride-on car gives kids the perfect mix of adventure, safety, and style. It's more than just a toy, it's a mini adventure on wheels that lets kids feel like real superheroes. For only £199.99, you can give your child a cool piece of the Batman legacy. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just a surprise gift, the Batmobile Ultimate Kids electric car will spark any child's imagination. It lets them step into the role of their favorite superhero and enjoy hours of exciting play. With its strong design and superhero theme, this ride-on is sure to bring joy and create unforgettable memories for your little one. Safe, stylish, and full of fun, it's the perfect gift to make playtime extra special. Custom grave digger and trailer. What an amazing and bold idea, and it looks fantastic. Even better, it didn't come alone. It's paired with a trailer that carries a cool trike, styled like the Polaris slingshot, just waiting to be noticed. Imagine getting something like this as a gift when you were a kid. Who would still want a gaming console when they could have something this exciting? This small monster truck drives smoothly over bumpy roads, thanks to its air suspension system that makes the ride comfortable. It's also packed with features like working headlights and a real winch that actually functions. The build quality is impressive, and the attention to detail really stands out. The rose gold paint looks stunning, and the high-quality graphic wrap gives it a stylish finish. Everything about it shows how much effort went into making it look and perform like a real machine. It's the kind of gift or project that leaves a lasting impression and brings out the fun side of engineering and creativity. Dodgem Bumper Car. What's the most surprising thing about this little car? Is it the bold and fun design? Not really. Is it the small size, even though it's still big enough for an adult to drive? That's not it either. Could it be tricky to handle? Actually, no, it drives smoothly and even has a reverse gear. So, what's the catch? The real surprise is that this car is legal to drive on public roads. Yes, you heard that right, you can take this small car out just like any regular vehicle. It may look tiny and playful, but don't let its size fool you. It's built strong, runs well, and is even powerful enough to spin the tires when you hit the gas. This fun little ride isn't just for show. It's fully functional and ready for real road adventures. Small in size, big on attitude. That's what makes the Dodgem Bumper Car so unique and exciting. Eli Electric. Eli Electric is a company focused on changing the way we move by creating smart electric vehicles. Their main model, the Eli Zero, is a compact, 2-seater car with 0 emissions. It's perfect for short, frequent city trips. Smaller, simpler, and more user-friendly than regular cars, the Eli Zero can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours using a standard 220 to 240 volt outlet. On a single charge, it offers a top speed of 25 miles per hour and can travel up to 60 miles. Designed to support social interaction and improve city life, it also helps reduce energy use and environmental impact. With a price tag of $99,900, the Eli Zero is an affordable and attractive choice for both city and suburban drivers. Eli Electric's goal is to make personal transportation more efficient and eco-friendly. They welcome you to join their mission of rethinking how we see and use cars, aiming to make daily travel cleaner, simpler, and more connected to the world around us. F1 Lotus. Here's another mini racing legend. The Lotus Type 49, a Formula One car from the 1960s. This was the car driven by the famous Jim Clark, a racer many motorsport fans consider greater than even Alain Prost and Michael Schumacher. This model is built at a 1:2 scale, but don't let the size fool you. With an 8-horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 80 km/h. That's quite impressive for such a small machine. The lucky buyer of this mini F1 car will enjoy several premium features, including a leather interior, a quick-release steering wheel, and 4 adjustable shock absorbers for a smooth ride. As expected, this car is also available from Junior Dream Cars. And if you're ready to pay $1,290, it can be yours. It may be small in size, but it delivers big on style, speed, and fun. A true mini monster on wheels, perfect for anyone who loves racing history in a compact form. F-150 Grogan Ford. When we first got this F-150 Grogan Ford, it wasn't in running condition. The engine didn't work, so we had to track down a new one and take care of a few other repairs as well. It took some effort and investment, but now it's ready to hit the road. You can easily take it for a ride around the block and enjoy the experience. Beyond just the fun of driving it, this could also turn into a smart long-term investment. This particular model is made by Carter Brothers, a name known for quality and detail. Believe it or not, some of these have been sold for over $112,000, making it far more than just a collectible or toy. It's something that holds real value, both in enjoyment and potential return. And if you're into unique builds, guess what? Homemade tanks are out there too. Yes, seriously. This world of custom, scaled-down vehicles has something for every enthusiast. It's not just about fun, it's about passion, creativity, and sometimes, even profit. GK110 Camera. The GK10 is made especially for young drivers and gives an experience close to real go-karting. Right from the beginning, it's clear that this small vehicle is anything but boring. Powered by a 6.2 horsepower engine, it can hit speeds up to 48 km/h. With that much speed, safety becomes very important, and the GK10 is well prepared. It comes with a strong roll cage to protect the driver and also includes a remote engine shutoff feature for emergencies. The cart is also designed to be easy to handle, making it safer for new drivers. One helpful feature is the digital gear indicator, which lets the driver know exactly what gear they're in. When it comes to price, the GK10 is surprisingly reasonable. Compared to other models like the Mini Mercedes or the Land Junior, this one offers great value for the performance and safety features it includes. All in all, the GK10 is fun, fast, and built with young drivers in mind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.